Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. Alex here with a little bit of a different product. So here we have the Babes Reflection, okay, Si02 Protectant. Now, shout out to Sydney Brigwin, the teal queen herself, for hooking me up with this. So with this, it's an SiO2 infused protectant. So you spray it on, you wipe it off, and in spirit of SBG and JTC, we have the FTW, okay? For the window, for the wind, I don't care what you call it, it's the GOAT, all right? So, instructions on here say to apply it to the surface itself, or you can apply it to the towel. I'm gonna go ham. I'm in a cool environment. I'm gonna go right on the surface, and we're gonna see how it goes. It says 3x3 area, kind of gonna go half hood situation. So, we're gonna spray that on and give it a shot. So, a couple spritzes. Quickly apply that on. Pretty darn slick, not too bad. Flip that over. Man, oh man, the smell. Blueberries, oh my, delicious. Oh yeah. That's super slick on the other side on the wipe off, holy smokes. So yeah, we're gonna keep going and follow along. Thinking, Alex, where do I get this babe stuff? Honestly, I don't know. I'm gonna have to put a link in the description here for you, so. But this is one of those special things that if you're in the Boise area and you visit SBG, she might hook you up with a bottle. So I think Jamie got some as well when we were there for TRCMA 2024. And I don't know, this might be the only video on the internet about babes. Who knows? I have no idea. So we're gonna go ahead, apply it. Again, super, super slick. Originally, it does say for marine applications, but also for vehicles too. So kind of a gel coat protection is what it really is showing. Okay, right there. But overall, really like it. No idea on longevity. That's okay. Now, with the babes, you can apply it on glass. So we're just going to lift the wiper arm up here. So with this, it does say that it will improve the slickness and durability over time. So you got to let it cure, maybe a few hours. I won't be able to have this vehicle indoors to cure, but that's okay. We'll just send it. But overall slickness, I mean, what? I feel like Eddie with all these reactions. This is hilarious. Look at that. Like, just for reference, I'll put it like over there. Nothing. Let's keep going. So that's a quick demo on the reflection from Babes. All right, so if we take a look, I used about that much, so probably, I don't know, 3 ounces for the whole car. Really, really slick product. I mean, look at this. Like what? That's been curing for like 5 minutes, okay? Super amazing product. Again, I'll put a link in the description where we can get it because I'm not 100% sure. So, really easy to apply product, smells amazing. Just for reference, I did go through 2 FTW towels, a 16 by 16 size, folded into 4s. You have 8 working sides, that's great. So, overall, super easy application, no real smearing or anything, no grabbing. It's just a great overall product to apply in this very saturated SiO2 market. So again, Bucky VW, maybe somewhere, Jamie 10, maybe somewhere, Joey 10, EC 10, Eddie 10, I don't know, Jamie 10 at your mom's house, I have no idea, all right? So thank you so much for tuning in. Drop a like, subscribe if that's what you're into, and stay tuned for the next video.